stop scrolling. Because if you are planning to invest in 2026, then this one decision between gold and silver could completely change your financial future. Right now, both metals are sending mixed signals. Gold is acting like a safe protector, quietly holding its value, while silver is behaving like a hidden rocket, building pressure for a possible breakout. But the real question is simple. Which one can actually make you richer in 2026? Let's break it down in a very simple way. Gold has been trusted for thousands of years. Even today, it is considered the ultimate safe asset. When inflation rises, when economies become unstable, or when markets crash, gold usually stays strong. That is why banks, governments, and big investors always keep gold in their reserves. It is not used for fast profit. It is used for protection. But here is the truth. Gold is safe but slow. It protects your money, but it does not usually multiply it quickly. Now let's talk about silver. Silver is different. It is not just a precious metal, it is also an industrial metal. That means it is used in real-world technology like solar panels, electric vehicles, electronics, and even AI hardware systems. And this is where things get interesting. As technology grows in 2026, the demand for silver can increase sharply. And when demand rises, price movements in silver can become very fast and aggressive. Unlike gold, silver is more volatile. It can go up quickly, but it can also fall quickly. That is why some investors fear it and others love it. Now, if we compare both in a simple way, gold is like financial insurance. It protects your wealth. Silver is like an opportunity asset. It has the potential to grow your wealth faster but with more risk. So, in 2026, gold will likely remain strong if global uncertainty continues. But silver could outperform if industrial demand and technology growth accelerates. Now, here is what smart investors usually do. They don't depend on just one metal. They balance both. Many investors keep most of their money in gold for safety and a smaller portion in silver for growth potential. This way, they are protected if the market falls, but also ready if silver suddenly explodes. Because in investing, the goal is not just to be safe, and not just to take risk, but to balance both sides smartly. So in the end, the real question is not just gold or silver. The real question is, do you want stability or do you want growth potential? Or can you manage both together? Because in 2026, the winners will not be those who guess perfectly. They will be the ones who prepare smartly. And now tell me, if you had to choose today, would you trust the safety of gold? Or take the opportunity with silver?